Adjust. If the chair is too high, you can adjust it to suit you. Discuss. They discuss the walls of the 10th floor. On site. We're meeting the contractor on site tomorrow. Report form. You need to complete the report form by 5 p.m. Delivery. You can pay for the rug on delivery. Push. He helped me push my car off the road.
Hey, if you learned something from today's video, then make sure to subscribe to English for Construction channel to learn more about the English for Construction. Keep watching.
Resource. We need all resources in order to win this contract. Allocate. We have allocated $50,000 for designing and meeting. Efficiently. She runs the business very efficiently. Masonry. Several of the firefighters were injured by falling masonry. Adobe. Adobe houses were common in the Southwest. Air brick. Air bricks can be positioned either above or below the damp-proof course (DPC) level. Arch. Passing through the arch, you enter an open courtyard. Block. We need 100 blocks. Gypsum. This wall is made of gypsum. Bolster. We need 1,000 bolsters for this part. Mortar. We need a little more mortar to complete this wall. Slump. The slump of the concrete is 15 cm. Hawk. John is a professional of using hawks. Plastering. I need 3 people for the plastering work. Carpenter. Jim is a carpenter. Check. We need to check the floor's surface. Frame. The frame of the building is made of bamboo. Welder. He works as a welder. Beam. The sitting room had exposed wooden beams. Catenary. The catenary curve has a U-like shape. Column. There are 14 types of columns in building construction. Demolish. The contractor has to demolish the constructed walls. Fender. Every construction needs fenders. Floor. Watch out. The floor is slippery.
Hey, if you learned something from today's video, then make sure to subscribe to English for Construction channel to learn more about the English for Construction. Keep watching.